In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow to a text in Canva. First, add a text box to your design. You can do it by going to the text tab on the left side of your screen and click add a text box. After that, you can adjust the size of the text like this. Then go to the top toolbar to change the font style, size, color, alignments, or even add an animation. But now I'll delete this because I will be using this text. Next, to add the shadow, just select the text, then go to the top toolbar and click this effects option. From here, you'll see many shadow options that you can choose from, for example, drop, glow, echo, and many more. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this drop shadow. After that, you can customize the look by using this slider or type some numbers into this field to change the direction, offset, blur, and transparency. If you want to change the color, you can click this color icon. Then you can pick a color from these default options, or you can also add a new color by clicking this plus icon and use this color picker or type in a hex code in this field. As you can see, the shadow makes the text pop and it looks more professional. So that's how to add shadow to a text in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.